Hey, welcome to Matt's Garage. Today's kind of a chewing the fat episode. One of my subscribers asked me whatever happened with that, and I thought people aren't really interested. But whatever, I'll post it, thumbs me down, do your worst, right? But today I want to talk about space management and what's going on with my project in terms of parts and what you may face when you do your project. So first, let's start with my office. So this is my office. Got the computer and monitor over here, and then I've got my Corbo seats and my Tuffy console and some miscellaneous parts, steering column. And here's a gas tank I wanted to show you. So I have this thing epoxy coated on the inside. It's all like a white fuel resistant epoxy. So that the gas tank's like done, except obviously I need to mount the pump and stuff, but the physical tank itself is done. I've got some TJ, what do you call them? Sun visors there, TJ mirrors there. I've got my twin stick and manual shifter boot Super Trick from JB Customs, leather or pleather, one of those ethers. I got these are going to be the lights on the Scout on the rear, LED Super Trick. Stuff like that. So back in the garage here, I've got my fuel line stuff, little temperature sleeves for the fuel line, my pump. I've got some rear parking brake lines I got from IH Parts America, whatnot. I've got some engine parts there we're not going to talk about right now, and body parts, hood, got my blast cabinet, motors over there. I've got my transmission gutted there with my transmission parts on there. Dana 20 under the box. Dana 20 transmission parts down there. Yeah, so I'm showing you this stuff because at some point in the project, you're going to be bursting at the seams with parts. I mean, I am surrounded by bins and bags and bagged and tagged and loose stuff that I was like busy working and never tagged. Well, I mean, this clip sits on the firewall of the Scout. I don't even know what it was for originally, and I know where it came from right now, but in 5 months I'll be like, what was this thing again? So, anyway, you'll be bursting at the seams. So you got to be realistic about your space constraints and understand how much. When you take a truck apart, or a car, or any vehicle, you just can't believe all that stuff fit onto that vehicle. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So it's my little tip on today's Chewing the Fat. Hope it was helpful. I'll see you next time on Matt's Garage.